Hi there, students. To play to the gallery, to play to the crowd. Okay, this means to act in a way that you receive as much approval or applause as possible from an audience, especially if you are performing in a way that is appealing to the lowest common denominator of society. Okay, so this is to do or say things or wear things or have an event that people like. It's something that people agree with. So, for example, at the moment there is an election in the UK. And both Boris Johnson and Jeremy Corbyn are playing to the gallery. They're trying to promise things that they think will receive a lot of public approval. Okay, they're trying to promise the people, if you vote for me, I will give you lots of money. Okay, and everyone goes, yeah, I want money, yeah. This is the idea of playing to the gallery. Or maybe a footballer who, while he's on the pitch, is also performing various antics or doing things that people notice instead of concentrating on the match. He's playing to the gallery. Or maybe a script writer in so many of these modern series. He's playing to the gallery. What's going to happen next in this series? Well, I need to find something that's going to shock and surprise everyone. So maybe you could have a sex scene or a murder. It doesn't matter if it's appropriate or not. Yeah, it's something that the lowest common denominator, the hoi polloi of society, will think is great. Let's see, the gallery is like the balcony, the circle of a theatre. It's not the bit at ground level, it's the bit that's upstairs, and there are seats upstairs. Now, in the past, I think it's still true, the seats in the balcony or the gallery were the cheapest seats, and for actors it was easier to get applause from the people in the cheaper seats. They probably had a baser, more simple sense of humour. Okay, so the actors would play to the gallery. They would act in a way that the gallery approved of, because it's an easy way to get applause and appreciation. Maybe he was making a speech about his opponent, and he included lots of funny comments and jokes and quips about his opponent, which he knew people would find funny. And he was like this, he was playing to the gallery. So, to play to the gallery, to do things to try to get the approval of the lowest groups in society, the groups that are easiest to placate and make laugh. If that's true or not, I'm not certain. So, for example, at the moment I'm giving an English class, but if I really wanted to play to the gallery, I could probably stand up and take my clothes off while continuing to give the lesson. That would be playing to the gallery. I'm sure the video would go viral. Yeah? I think maybe videos that go viral include scenes that are playing to the gallery. Okay? So I think this idea of most viral things, not always, effectively are playing to the gallery. So what about formality of this idiom? I would actually say this idiom is probably neutral formality. It's less informal than most idioms. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, yeah? I might say looking for the attention of the masses, yeah? Calling out for attention. You could certainly use it in a neutral context, and I think you could probably even use this in quite a formal document. It's a more formal, more intellectual type of idiom. Okay, so to play to the gallery. Anyway, play to the gallery, to do something to get the attention of the lowest common denominator of society, the people that are easiest to placate and make laugh. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To play to the gallery, or to play to the crowd.